So you've listed your house for sale, you've gotten it ready for the open house, and now you're wondering what goes with me and what stays with the home. I've actually had clients that have tried to take built-in microwaves, water softeners. One of them took a Connex or one of those storage shipping containers from their house, and they didn't exclude it from the sale, and then it was a big battle. So one thing you always want to work out right in the beginning is it a realty item or a non-realty item? So refrigerators are considered personal items. You can take those with you. Whereas built-in microwaves, ranges, light fixtures, water softeners, a lot of the toilets, right? A lot of these things, they're built into the property, right? So they're connected, affixed to the property. So you can't take them unless you put an exclusion in there. So this is not just in the purchase agreement, but you want to put an exclusion in your listing agreement. So basically what that means is you say, hey, we have this chandelier that we love, and we know that it's affixed to the property, but we're taking it with us. So you want to make sure that that goes in the listing agreement, so everyone who comes to that house, they know this, if I make an offer on this property, the chandelier is not included, right? So then when the next step is when you sign your purchase agreement, that's also excluded from there. You're taking it with you, right? And then certain personal items, if you're a buyer, you may say, you know what, I really like this refrigerator. Can you keep it, right? Can you leave that here? Get that in the contract, in the purchase agreement. Otherwise, it means nothing. So everything's great when you first get the offer accepted, but as soon as you start getting through the inspections and they do negotiations, that's when there can be a little bit of animosity between the buyer and the seller or both realtors. So you always want to get that stuff down in contract. If you're a seller and there's certain things you want to take with you that are supposed to stay with the land, get that in the listing agreement. Let them know it's excluded. And then when you go into contract, whether you're a buyer or seller, if there's certain things that are going to stay or not stay, make sure you point it out. That way there's no confusion, no battling back and forth, and everyone understands what's staying and what's going. All right, so if you enjoyed our content and it was useful, go ahead and smash the like button and subscribe down below. Or if you're looking to buy, sell, or refinance, make sure to reach out to us. You can give us a call, you can send us an email, you can even send me a text message. All of our information is in the description. Look forward to hearing from you.